In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a gift card on Shopify. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to create a gift card your customers can purchase and redeem in your store. First, make sure you're logged into your Shopify admin. From your main Shopify dashboard, you'll see the menu along the left-hand side of the screen. This is where you manage everything for your store. From that menu, click on Products. This is the section where all of your physical and digital products live. And it's also where Shopify keeps your gift card products. Inside the products area, look towards the top of the page and click on gift cards. This will open the dedicated gift card section. If you've never created a gift card before, this page might be empty, and that's completely fine. Next, click on Create Gift Card. This opens the setup page for a new gift card, where you'll define how the card works and what it's worth. At the top, you'll see a field labeled Gift Card Code. Shopify will automatically generate a unique code for you. In most cases, it's best to leave that auto-generated code because it's secure and randomized. However, if you prefer something custom, you can type in your own code here. Just make sure it's not too simple or easy to guess. Below that, you'll find the field titled Initial Value. This is the amount of money that the gift card will be worth when it's issued. Enter the value you want, making sure it matches your store's currency and your pricing strategy. For example, you might choose round numbers like 10, 25, or 50 to make it easy for customers. On the right-hand side of the screen, you'll see a section for notes. Click the little pen icon if you want to add internal notes. These are only visible to you and your team. You might use this to record why the card was issued, who it's for, or details about a promotion. Now, look for the expiration settings. You have two options here. You can choose to have no expiration date, which means the gift card will remain valid indefinitely. This is often more customer friendly, but make sure it aligns with your local laws and your store policy. If you prefer the card to expire, click on Set Expiration Date. Then pick the date from the calendar that works for your business, such as 6 or 12 months from the issue date. Once you're happy with the code, the value, any notes, and the expiration settings, go up to the top or bottom of the page and click Save. Shopify will create the gift card, and you're done. Your new gift card is now ready to be issued or managed directly from your Shopify admin.